Ontario is set for an exciting elections. This time, a record 37 candidates of Indian origin are contesting for seats in the Ontario Assembly. And let me tell you, that's the highest number ever. The Indo-Canadian community is buzzing with excitement, hoping to increase its political influence in the province. Let me tell you first, why exactly is this election so special? Ontario has always had a strong Indian community, but in past elections, their representation in politics was much lower. In the last assembly, only 11 Indian origin candidates won the seats. This time, with 37 candidates on the ballot, there is hope that numbers could be much higher. Even though the total number of candidates running in the election is lower than the previous year, the enthusiasm among Indian Canadians remains really strong. Many believe that this is a great opportunity to increase representation in the government. Several well-known Indian origin politicians are running again. Let me give you a few names. Prabmeet Singh Sarkaria held a key position in Doug Ford's government. Amarjeet Singh Sandhu, Hardeep Grewal, Neena Tangri and Deepak Anand. These candidates already have political experience and they are hoping to retain their seats. But there are also new faces that are entering the race. For example, Shefali Kapoor, an immigration consultant. Ranjit Singh Bagga, a businessman who owns multiple golf courses in the Greater Toronto area. You know which political party are supporting Indian origin candidates? Let me tell you. Candidates of Indian descent are spread across different political parties. First, New Blue Party. A new party in Ontario politics has also fielded Indian origin candidates. Then Green Party has also nominated 4 candidates from the Indian community. With these parties adding more Indian origin candidates, the chances of greater representation has never been higher. The Indo-Canadian community is growing really fast in Ontario, and with the more representation in the assembly, they can have stronger voice in important decisions about jobs, immigration, healthcare and business policies. Many Indian origin residents are looking forward to see how this election shapes their future. Also, apart from the Ontario elections, Canada's national politics is also heating up. The race for the Liberal Party leadership is in full swing. The next Prime Minister of Canada will be chosen based on this leadership vote. March 9 is the final date for this big decision, and 6 candidates are fighting really hard to win support. At the very same time, Canada's relationship with the United States is becoming a major issue in both provincial and federal politics. Trade tension and diplomatic problems between the two nations are making people worried about it will affect the economy or not. The people are asking what's next. With the Ontario elections that happened on February 27th and the Liberal Party leadership decision on March 9, the next few weeks will be very important for Canadian politics. The Indian community is watching closely, hoping for a historic moment where they can achieve greater representation in the government. So, what do you think? Will this election be a turning point for Indo-Canadian in politics? Let us know.